As Sir Keir Starmer unveiled his strategy to reduce immigration into the UK, LBC's James O'Brien hit out at the ignorant move. LBC host James O'Brien has shared his concerns over Labour Party leader Sir Keir Starmer's plan to reduce migration, as he questioned where immigrants will go if they are unable to be in the UK. Speaking on Monday's show, he said defeatedly we might be quite royally screwed. His comments came as Sir Keir outlined his plans to tighten up the immigration system, promising migration numbers will fall significantly. James shared his dismay at how he feels some British people seek to blame those from other countries for issues they have in their day-to-day lives. He said, immigration could be zero, but if you go to the hospital and have a bad experience, you are going to blame it on people who weren't born here. Immigration could be zero, but if somebody cuts you up in traffic and flicks you the bird afterwards, and they look a bit foreign, you're going to blame immigration. If you like to wax lyrical about British culture being under threat, and everybody knows what you mean when you say that, is that there are too many people around who don't look like or sound like you. The LBC host also criticised those who hold these opinions. In a seeming dig at reform voters, he continued, even if the net migration figures come down to zero, where are all the people making you uncomfortable? Where are they going to go? And that is why I worry, and that is why I use the phrase I don't use often, royally screwed. I fear that the more you throw into the gaping maw of nativist unhappiness, the worse everything gets, not the better. And you would think that voting to reduce immigration in Brexit from a position of such epic ignorance that you ended up tripling it or doubling it. It would give people pause. Sir Keir's proposed immigration measures include requiring English tests for all visa applicants and their adult dependents and extending the pathway to settled status. The Prime Minister is also looking to reduce the hiring of overseas care workers to decrease legal migration, which constitutes the majority of immigration to the UK. In a speech, Sir Keir stated, when people come to our country, they should also commit to integration and learning our language. This initiative is part of a broader strategy to tighten up what the Prime Minister labels a broken immigration system. The reforms will eliminate automatic settlement for some visa holders in the UK after 5 years. Most migrants must remain for at least 10 years before they can apply for settled status and start the journey toward full citizenship. Concurrently, Sir Keir announced the creation of a fast-track settlement process for nurses, engineers, AI specialists, and others who significantly contribute to Britain's growth and society.